lunch here with a fisherman's family. And of course it's going to be a fish curry made with kingfish, which has just been landed. So she's grated up fresh coconut in the mixer, followed by a dozen, yes a dozen, really hot chilies, loads of garlic and then peppercorns. A good handful of freshly chopped tomatoes, onion, quite a bit of salt, and that's it. They all have these wet and dry, very powerful blenders. I predict a lot of people will be getting one of these. We don't tend to blend vegetables together like that in a sauce, but she just says it has more flavour. And also, you get a lot of texture from all those blended vegetables. Interestingly, I don't think we have a contraption to do that in the UK, a small container with lots of power that will blend dry and wet things together.